Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Binance Cat token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, BNBCAT is the community answer to the lore, a tribute to every cat that ever rapped BNB, born from the culture, chaos and community of the chain. BNBCAT turns an iconic piece of Binance meme history into a movement owned by the community. Binance Cat token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is not showing yet. Binance Cat token is listed on LBank, KCX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.